हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू स्टेनो एस्पिरेंट्स। इस मैटर की पीडीएफ और डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स के लिए आप टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। रामानुजन was the maths genius who said that an equation for me has no meaning unless it expresses a thought of God. He always had a vision of scrolls of complicated maths unfolding before him. He is referred to as an Indian mathematician who lived during the British period and who contributed substantially to mathematics analysis, number theory, infinite series, and continued fractions. He has been described by many as a simple person with pleasant manners. Ramanujan was born on 22nd December 1887 into a Tamil Brahmin family in Erode, Madras. His father, Kuppuswamy Srinivasa Iyengar, hailed from Thanjavur district and worked as a clerk in a sari shop. His mother, Komalata Mal, was a housewife and used to sing at a local temple. They lived in a small traditional home. When Ramanujan was only a year and a half old, his mother was blessed with a son named Sada Gopan, but unfortunately died less than 3 months later. In 1889, Ramanujan contracted smallpox but recovered, unlike many others who faced the death. Then in 1891 and 1894, his mother again gave birth to two more children, but both of them died before their first birthdays. Since his father was at work most of the day, his mother took care of him and their bond grew stronger. From his mother, he learnt about the tradition and Puranas, to sing religious songs and to attend puja at a temple. He became well versed with the Brahmin culture and followed particular eating habits. Just before turning 10, he passed his primary education in English, Tamil, geography, and arithmetic. His scores were the best in the district. In the same year, he encountered formal mathematics for the first time. At the age of 16, he acquired a library copy of a synopsis of elementary results in pure and applied mathematics from a friend. He studied the contents of the book thoroughly. The next year, he developed and investigated the Bernoulli numbers and calculate Euler's constant up to 15 decimals. His peers could hardly understand his nature, and we are always in awe because of his brilliance. Due to his extraordinary mind, he received a scholarship to study at Government Arts College. But he lost this scholarship because of his firm determination towards studying only maths and ignoring other subjects. Later too, he failed in subjects like English, Sanskrit, and physiology. In 1906, he flunked in his Fellow of Arts exam in December. Without a FA degree, he left college and decided to study independently in mathematics through research and referring books. Such a condition caused him extreme poverty, and he reached on the brink of starvation. He married on 14th July 1909 and took a job as a tutor at Presidency College. Ramanujan met Deputy Collector V. Ramaswamy Iyer in 1910, who was the founder of Mathematical Society and wished to work in the revenue department. When Ramanujan showed his mathematics book to him, he stated that I was struck by the extraordinary mathematical results contained in Ramanujan's books. As he advanced further in maths, he even wrote his formal paper on the properties of Bernoulli numbers. A journal editor noted that Mr. Ramanujan's and presentation was terse and lacked precision and clearness. An ordinary person could hardly follow him. In England, he was awarded a Bachelor of Arts by Research degree. He was also elected to the London Mathematical Society. Ramanujan was the first Indian to be elected a Fellow of Trinity College, Cambridge. In 1994, he died due to tuberculosis and left the world. In the words of Hardy, Ramanujan had produced groundbreaking theorems and defeated him many times. He had never seen such theories in his life before. In his obituary, it was written that his insight into the subject was terrific and what he did was outstanding and remarkable. The Government of India in 2011 declared his birthday as National Mathematics Day to commemorate his valuable contribution and efforts. The former president even proclaimed that 2012 would be celebrated as National Mathematics Year. Stop.